Yeah, Gaza Nation. Vybz Carter that's a boy a block him page and a buy views. You don't know who them? Yo, a long time boy a block my page. I told me don't know what them do. But here what I go on. Me's a man when I really worry about things when I cannot control. You see what I really? Me's a man I deal when I can control. That means I can plan how to deal with it. If I can't deal with it today, or I can take care of it next week or tomorrow. But I don't worry about what I can control. Because it's beyond my control already. So why am I going to kill up myself for that? What? The world, it's not a plan. A franchise, they're choosing one. The 10th star general. You don't know it go already. When I come for represent. Full effect thing, man. You don't know it go? I'm load up. Aim up. Crank up. Drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You don't know a loud explosion about you. Watch me, man. I'm the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo! A Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch me, man. Hey, I'm the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? Your Gaza Nation is wicked out here. It's cool as a motherfucker. And I don't know, joke shit. You see what I'm doing? Yeah. Out here wicked. You know what I mean? But here what I go on. Right I know. The world boss come on. And make you know. So boy I block him page. And I buy views. A long time them a do me that. From the boy them say, me take on the war with Alkaline and the 6 them from him and Squash Man thing. I find out that my challenge start creep. You know what I mean? I said no 10 star and you think that. You see my thing, eh? You think that fly at lightning place or you come back to a war. I say alright. You know what I mean? The greatest thing, them boy are out of so. Them know who is 10 star. And them know who I'm bring to you too. You see what I deal with? So them now can stop the load explosion. Whereas them see the world boss take it up in hand and I support my channel and shop down on the 6 them. The boy them get wicked. You see what I deal with? Yeah. But you know when I laugh with it. Because when boy violate you don't know how we deal with it. You know what I mean? Boy head get chopped off with it. You know what I mean? I just the living truth I kill them, you know. And I know spectacular. You see what I deal with? And the living truth, a man have them own style. We man bring to YouTube. You see what I deal with? And at that, some boy can't manage. You know what I mean? The way we translate across the message. You see what I deal with? Yeah. A long time you know, hear to boss, I tell you, you know. All the boy I'm gonna fight him channel, you know. Right now I find out that the same thing I go on with Brando channel. You see what I deal with? Yeah. So them know how to manipulate stuff. You see what I deal with? Because them are internet fanatic, you know. You see what I deal with? Yeah. But what them fair do? What them fair do, them nah do. Because them nah drop no quality music. Them artists nah drop no quality music. Them nah have nothing to talk about. Them want to compare themselves with the man them. And them a fair tell, the blogger them a fair tell lie. And them thing eh. Them nah have the work, nah the evidence behind them. So this is the way how them go on and deal with stuff. You see what I deal with? Yeah man. But you know, as the world boss say, it soon catch up on them. The world boss say, soon find out who you know. You see what I deal with? Yeah man, but wait till when necessary equipment bust out. You hear me? And you hear the load explosion and who. You know going one day for bounty killer they scare them crew. Ow! Ow! No wait. Yeah. When they choke me. Yeah man. No wait. No go in here. You hear me? You go in here. Remember, look a pig have big ears, you know. So you can go on. We here will go on in the long run. Now go take up, now go take up forever. You see what I deal with? Right now, you know. I want to say to vybz kartel, you know, because I see a push out, you know. I see a push out the big bad album, you know. Well, look at vybz, you know. And look at Addy, you know. I drop, you know, early next year, you know. What a bumbo clock, my boss. When all the album they go hit all the billboard, eh? Eh? Sure. Oh fuck, man. Damn road. Hear me I say. What a grass. What a piece of catastrophe. If they look at you, them album go drop and hit the billboard. Eh? You can't believe the relief of a new system breeze. Eh? You know what type of damage that do to dancehall? You know worry yourself in a Gaza nation. Stay up on the lookout. Make sure you not follow vybz kartel closely. He's a magician. You see what I deal with? Yeah, man. You have to follow him. You see me? Yeah. The man they not do things. Just jump up and do things like that. The man they stuff well orchestrated. You see what I say? Precisely done, should say. You see me? Phenomenal stuff. That's what the man they bring to dancehall. No joke no night. So Gaza Nation, it cool. Let me tell you something, man. It might be no look cool to the way you see me and move. And them shit there. But you know, my sweater alone with my Avan, man. My sweater alone with my Avan, it's like a bulletproof. It's like the cold cannot harm me. My wings is like a shield of steel. You see it? Gimmicks thing. Yeah, man. Yeah, the greatest thing is to strap up properly, you know what I mean? Otherwise, cold kill your ass, you see it? Yeah, man. No joke, night. If you notice people scanty on the road and anything where you see on the road, but no. You see me? Why you think me not take off my mask? Think it easy, man. I don't know, joking. Some boy here talk about him tough and him bad. You want to bring him come out as an organization. You see what I do? I left him in there, just a look us pull over sweater. See if him not ball until I say I want to go back home right now. Can't take the pressure. Just like how you see some boy can't take the pressure in a dancehall. So them have to block the boss channel and I buy views. Take all light, man. When you don't have to buy it, you can't take all light. You know what I mean? You take all light. And at the end of the day, I could see who a trend. Yeah, I could see who a trend. For certain platform. You know what I mean? You have to go back it up, you know. You have to go back it up, you have to go see how you're trending still. For a certain platform. You know what I mean? Yeah, I feel like I want a coconut water for bath. For drink. So I buy one of the young ones.
Small black tea sugar?
You know what I mean? Yeah. We're going to find out how it works. And remember I said the year almost finished right about now. Remember the general soon get nominated for Grammy. We're going to find out who dominate the year in trending. You know what I mean? And all of those stuff. The material evidence them soon jump out. You don't have to ask about it. One thing with Gaza people, you know, we not have to lie, you know. For no form of recognition, you know. And that's the beauty about it. You see what I deal with? Because we are doing it. And we are the thing. You see me? Yeah. And we are doing it. And we are set it. And we them a follow. You see me? Yeah. And that's where it come from. You see me? Them can't pass, them can't size up. Them try to join up. You know what I mean? Yeah. And it's still, and them still no match up. What do you think? What do you think? Because carbon copy, it can't beat blueprint, dog. Blueprint are original. You see what I say? We don't have to know them things there. You see what I say? And as me hear some man pan a look at, here look a man pan branded talk show review. I say right now, the man them only a do song for YouTube. You see me? And I think the brother right. No wonder why the man them not spark certain way overseas. The brother right, the man gotta do song for YouTube alone. That's why the vybz kartel thing them always have to hit some various platform. Because them topic them different, all different type of topic him deal with. If the man do 10 songs, another 10 similar thing or some weird topic, just look on the topic them where him choose. You see what I deal with and dance all about that from a longer time. That's why you ever hear me talk about local vibes. Look on the youth topic them where him draw off him song them. Or some simple local topic. But deadly. You see what I deal with? Yeah man. Just watch them thing them on. You see me and watch what them a sing about. You see me? Watch what it's all about. It's a conversation where them a try for all. You know what I mean? Or the story. Or whatever them a sell out of them out. Listen to the way how the thing structure. You see what I say? You know what I mean? Say if it come like it's a book out of a story of the general, the 10-star one, I represent. What? Gaza way now. There ain't no other way. 10-star general. Oh.